Mod 1. Generic name, drug class, brand name, drug forms. Generic name, Nalbuphine. Drug class, opioid analgesic, mixed agonist-antagonist. Acts primarily as a kappa receptor agonist and mu receptor antagonist. Brand names, Nubane, Nalbuphine HCl, drug forms, injectable solution, IV-IM-SC, available as 10 mg a milliliter prefilled syringes or vials. 2. Definition. Nalbuphine is a synthetic opioid used for the treatment of moderate to severe pain. Unlike pure mu-opioid agonists like morphine, nalbuphine has a mixed profile, which gives effective analgesia with a lower risk of euphoria, dependence, and respiratory depression. It is sometimes preferred in patients at risk for opioid-related adverse effects. Hummer 3. Mechanism of action. Nalbuphine works via opioid receptors in the central nervous system. Kappa opioid receptor agonist produces analgesia, sedation, and limited dysphoria. Responsible for spinal and supraspinal pain relief. Mu-opioid receptor antagonist blocks the effects of other mu-opioid agonists, like morphine, at this receptor. Reduces risk of respiratory depression and euphoria, which are common with pure mu agonists. Summary. Pain relief occurs through kappa receptor activation, while mu antagonism limits some dangerous opioid effects. Pharmacokinetics. Parameter, detail. Absorption, rapid after IV, IM, or SC injection. Distribution, widely distributed, crosses placenta, 45% protein bound. Metabolism, hepatic metabolism mainly via glucuronidation. Half-life, 3-6 hours, clinically 5 hours. Excretion, mostly renal, urine, some fecal excretion. Clinical note, dose adjustment may be needed in severe hepatic or renal impairment. Number 5, uses. Relief of moderate to severe pain, postoperative trauma, or medical conditions. Labor analgesia, useful because it causes less respiratory depression in the mother and fetus. Pain management in palliative care. Advantages over traditional opioids: lower risk of dependence and euphoria, less respiratory depression, effective when mu agonists are contraindicated. Number 6. Indications: acute pain, post-surgical or post-traumatic, obstetric analgesia during labor, moderate to severe chronic pain in cases where other opioids are unsuitable, situations requiring opioid with lower abuse potential. 7. Contraindications: known hypersensitivity to nalbuphine or any opioid component, respiratory depression or severe respiratory compromise, acute or severe asthma, obstructive GI conditions, ileus obstruction, head injury or increased intracranial pressure, relative contraindication. Caution: can precipitate withdrawal in patients dependent on pure mu agonists. 8. Precautions before taking: medical history, liver disease, kidney disease, respiratory disease, cardiac disease, pregnancy and lactation. Category B, safe under supervision. Driving or operating machinery may cause dizziness, sedation. Alcohol and CNS depressants, avoid concurrent use. Elderly or debilitated patients, lower doses recommended. Number 9, how to use. Administered only by a healthcare professional via IV, IM, or SC injection. Injection site should be rotated to prevent local irritation. Monitor for respiratory rate, sedation level, and blood pressure during and after administration. Number 10, dosing information. Adults, IV, IM, or SC, 10 to 20 milligrams every 3 to 6 hours as needed. Max daily dose, 160 milligrams. Dose may be titrated based on pain severity and patient response. Pediatrics, use with caution. Dose calculated by weight, 0.1 to 0.2 milligrams per kilograms, max 20 milligrams per dose. Special populations, liver or kidney impairment, consider lower doses and longer intervals. Number 11, misdose and overdose. Misdose, typically as needed dosing, so missing one is not clinically significant. Overdose signs: severe sedation or stupor, respiratory depression or apnea, hypotension, pinpoint pupils, circulatory collapse. Management: supportive care, oxygen therapy. Naloxone may be used cautiously, may precipitate withdrawal in opioid-dependent patients. Stop or avoid taking. Avoid abrupt cessation if used frequently for long-term pain, may cause withdrawal. Avoid concurrent CNS depressants unless supervised. Avoid driving or machinery operation until effects are known. Number 13, side effects common: drowsiness, dizziness, headache, nausea, vomiting, sweating, lightheadedness. Serious, less common: respiratory depression, especially with other CNS depressants, hypotension, severe allergic reactions, rash, swelling, difficulty breathing, confusion or agitation. Note, lower risk of euphoria and addiction compared to morphine. Number 14, vital information. Monitor vital signs, respiratory rate, blood pressure, heart rate. Pregnancy, lactation, generally safe under supervision. Caution, may mask symptoms of appendicitis or biliary tract disease. Number 15, drug interactions. CNS depressants, alcohol, barbiturates, benzodiazepines, additive sedation and respiratory depression, other opioids, may precipitate withdrawal or reduce analgesic effect. MAO inhibitors, avoid concomitant use, risk of hypertensive crisis. Antihistamines or sedatives, additive sedative effects. Thank you. Have a nice day.